As a holiday rental owner, I absolutely no idea. And I knew that I needed to learn internet marketing as well as just relying on the OTAs. I knew I wanted some form of control of my business. So my name's Elaine Watt, as Mark has said. I am the host of the Holiday Let Success podcast. I got into hospitality coming up for 5 years ago now.
What I like about that is that you're speaking to an expert in the field and you're doing it on a platform where you can learn, but you're obviously then going to help others learn at the same time. Don't just go straight in bombarding with messages. Follow on social media, find people that you find interesting, find out a little bit more about them, and then when you're confident at that point, put together an email. Find their real email address and send them an email. Okay, so taking it from the world of online to the world of offline. Now you host monthly meetups in your local area. You attend events and conferences. When did you decide to do it? Why did you decide to do it? And what benefits have you seen for not only the HLS podcast, but for the rental business?
Yeah, I have seen a lot of benefit. There's two sides to my networking, really. And one side is for the Holiday Let Success podcast. And that's really the meetups on a monthly basis. And I think it's building. What I wanted to do was build a community, a place where people can meet in person.